If you're looking to get started with Folk CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps to set up and begin using Folk CRM so you can take full advantage of its features and streamline your customer relationship management process. Before we dive in, let me mention that you can start using Folk CRM completely for free through the link below. And with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more out of the platform. So let's get into it. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account with Folk CRM. Head over to the Folk CRM website, sign up with your email, and confirm your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard that makes navigation really easy, even if you're new to CRM software. Now let's take a look at the main features that will help you get started. The first step is importing your contacts. Folk CRM allows you to import contacts from a CSV file, which is a great way to get all your data into the platform quickly. Simply go to the Import Contacts section, upload your file, and Folk CRM will automatically map the fields to the appropriate sections. From there, your contacts are ready to be organized, segmented, and tagged. Next, you can start setting up your workflows. Folk CRM lets you create custom workflows to automate your processes. This is key for saving time and keeping everything organized. You can set up automated follow-up tasks, email reminders, and other actions based on your contact segments or tags. The platform is incredibly flexible, so whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a larger team, you'll find the right automation options for your needs. One of the best parts about Folk CRM is how easy it is to organize your contacts and keep track of interactions. Once your contacts are imported, you can quickly sort them into lists or use tags to identify important groups, whether it's clients, leads, or prospects. This makes it easy to segment your audience and tailor your approach, ensuring you're always engaging with the right people at the right time. Folk CRM also integrates with other platforms, so you can bring in data from email, calendar, and other business tools you're already using. This seamless integration makes it easy to pull everything together and work more efficiently. Don't forget to explore Folk CRM's analytics section as well. This gives you insights into your contact data and workflow performance, helping you optimize your strategies and track progress. By now, you should have the basics of how to get started with Folk CRM, importing contacts, setting up workflows, and organizing your data. But here's the real game changer. Folk CRM's intuitive interface and automation capabilities allow you to build stronger, more meaningful relationships with your contacts, which is the key to business growth. As a final reminder, if you want to take full advantage of Folk CRM, you can start using it today with our exclusive, extended free trial. Just click the link below to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.